ETL: extract, transform, and load. These steps prepare data for analysis and ensure it aligns with organizational goals. In this lecture, you will understand what ETL is and why it is crucial for data preparation. Learn the individual stages: extract, transform, and load. Explore how ETL ensures alignment with business goals. ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. It is a process used to collect data from different sources, clean and modify it to fit requirements, and load it onto a system for analysis. Think of ETL as a pipeline. Raw data enters at one end, is refined and processed, and comes out as usable, high quality data ready for decision making. Businesses rely on ETL to ensure their data is consistent, accurate, and accessible. For instance, a retail company might use ETL to combine sales data from physical stores, online platforms, and warehouses into a single database. ETL is a process used to collect, clean, and integrate data from various sources into a centralized system for analysis. Here are the three main stages of ETL. The extraction stage involves collecting data from various sources such as databases, spreadsheets, APIs, or even real-time sensors. The goal is to retrieve data in its raw form without losing any information. For example, a financial institution might extract data from customer transaction logs, website interactions, and support call records. Challenges during extraction include handling data in different formats or systems and capturing all relevant data. Tools like SQL, Python, or ETL software, for example, Talent or Informatica, are often used for this step. Once data is extracted, it needs to be cleaned and organized to make it consistent and usable. Transformation involves cleaning, removing errors, duplicates, and inconsistencies. Standardizing, ensuring data formats match, for example, converting all dates to a standard format. Aggregating, summarizing data for specific purposes, for example, monthly sales totals. For example, if a retail company extracts data where some entries list CA and others spell out California, the transformation step ensures uniformity. This stage ensures the data aligns with the business's goals. For instance, a high marketing team might transform raw customer data into segments like high spenders or occasional buyers. The final stage is loading the cleaned and transformed data into a target system, such as data warehouse or business intelligence platform. For example, an e-commerce business might load transformed data into a tool like Power BI to analyze trends in customer behavior. During this step, businesses ensure the data is secure, easily accessible, and structured in a way that supports analysis. ETL processes ensure data is reliable, consistent, and aligned with business objectives. Without ETL, organizations might face fragmented data, errors, or incomplete information, leading to poor decision making. For example, a healthcare provider might use ETL to combine patient records from multiple clinics into one system. This ensures that doctors have a complete view of patients' medical history, leading to better treatment decisions. ETL also supports scalability. As businesses grow and handle more data, having an efficient ETL process ensures they can manage and analyze data seamlessly. ETL is like following a recipe to cook a meal. You start by gathering ingredients from different places, extract, then you wash, chop, and measure them to prepare for cooking, transform. Finally, you combine them to create the dish, load. Just like cooking requires the right steps to create a delicious meal, ETL ensures raw data is processed into something useful and reliable. Choose a data set from any field, for example, retail, healthcare, education. Write a step-by-step plan for how you would apply the ETL process to prepare it for analysis. Specify what data you would extract, how you would transform it, and where you would load it. ETL, extract, transform, and load, is the backbone for preparing data for analysis. We covered the importance of each stage, from collecting raw data to transforming it into usable format, and loading it into a system for analysis. ETL ensures businesses can rely on their data to make informed decisions. What do you think is the most challenging stage of ETL? Have you encountered situations where messy or unorganized data caused problems? Share your experiences in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.